We all know that healthy brain is very much important for the working of our overall body, because it acts as a commander. It governs all our body with the help of nerve cells, and you may consider these nerve cells as soldiers. And these soldiers carry weapons, and these weapons are chemicals, different sort of chemicals, which generate your good or bad mood, your happy and sad feelings, and regulate your mood. And actually, your brain releases different type of chemicals, or these weapons affect all of your system. Today we will talk about only the happy chemicals of your body, and other are different chemicals we have in our bodies. Adrenaline, which is which generate in a very stressful situation. Then we have noradrenaline, which is concentration transmitter, and then we have dopamine. Serotonin is there. GABA, which is a gamma amino butyric acid. Then we have numerous other one, but today we will just talk about your happy hormones, which are dopamine, endorphin, oxytocin, and serotonin. And the very particular one is your dopamine. And today we will see that how different type of activities can generate this dopamine at higher level. um First of all, if you have a low dopamine level in your body, then you feel restless. These stumpy levels of dopamine also makes you very lazy feeling and unhappy and worried. So to increase this level in your body, you have to, first of the thing is that you can start exercise on daily basis. Give allotted time to your exercise, and do it in the continuity. Physical activity always cause progress in your mood, and there are numerous studies which suggest that when you do exercise, the dopamine level increase in your brain, which increase your good mood. And other than that, you can also eat protein, because that dopamine contain amino acid, and protein is an amino acid. Tyrosine is the one which is here in the dopamine. So it is very vital in the production of dopamine. You can, much eat those type of food which have ample amount of protein. You may use egg, beef, low fat dairy products. You may use to, uh, just manage that adequate level. Also reduce saturated fat consumption. Your butter, animal fat, coconut oil, and these type of things, you must not consume these things in high amount, because this reduce the consumption of your dopamine. You must also be very careful about your gut health. The simply gut health means your gastrointestinal tract health. So you have to be very careful about that, because it also affects your production of dopamine level. Your sleep cycle must be very proper. Normal sleep cycle generate higher dopamine, and that gives you a pleasure level, a good satisfaction level. Meditation also help in increasing your dopamine level. And you may also use sunlight, appropriate sun bath light, that is very much important. In particular areas of your brain, sun exposure upsurge the density of dopamine receptors, so obviously it increase your chances to be, and at a good mood. Also, if you don't have adequate amount of vitamins and to create the dopamine, you may consult your doctor, because we all need iron, vitamin B6, and different others. So if you are not taking this in your normal diet, so then you must consult your doctor, and obviously your physician advise you some supplements to uplift that levels. You also generate some to-do list, and when you complete that to-do list, obviously this that happy feeling generates within you, so that increase dopamine production in your body. do little celebrations, whatever you achieved in your life on daily basis. Just, and that is also important for your kids as well. Appreciate them, and do the celebrations of any kind of activity they do and they are receiving their desired results, so celebrate that. Cooking and baking also, if you are, it's just not about cooking and baking, it may be reading or anything else. Whatever your hobby is and whatever the thing which providing you some satisfactory feeling, that increase the dopamine level in your body, which ultimately provides good feeling. And self-care is also very much important, because we don't usually indulge in that type of activity. Whenever we are at home, we just be like, don't care our own self, mostly indulge with our home activities with our kids. And when you care about your own self, your outlook, your whatever that includes, whatever you like, if you like makeup or haircut or whatever that is, that also increase the level of dopamine in your body. So whenever that level increases, that generates good feeling inside you. There is a lot of discussion in the nowadays that dopamine affects the child's brain health. It may affect, but the production of dopamine must be with good physical activities. For example, if you're giving your child mobile, and your kid is watching videos, some random videos, and you even don't know that which type of videos or which type of activity he's doing on the mobile, and due to that activity the dopamine is generating inside your kid's brain cell. So in that case, if you are not indulging next time to that most intensive activity next time, so obviously that dopamine is not increasing at that particular level. So your child get bored earlier, and it's very uneasy for you to engage that child, because we all know that our kids have, mostly they have more energy, or they have more higher energy level as compared to those what type of activities we are giving to them. So you have to engage your child with certain sort of physical activities, not like you are giving them mobiles and whatever the games they are doing. So avoid that thing. They may generating dopamine in their cells, but for the next time they demand for more. And obviously there is a limit for that sort of activities. So you have to do some sort of physical activities with your kid and indulge your child with physical activities. So that will be the more good thing for your kid, and that will be, in that particular case, your kid have good healthy brain, instead of that you are just spoiling your child. Thank you.